Hello, my name is Helena Alegre. I'm come from Portugal, from LANEC, and I'm part of the big family of the project Trust. As you may know, Trust has one of its main goals to provide tools and methodologies to assist the regions and particularly the utilities to have a more sustainable infrastructure asset management. So we have focused on the development and implementation at a professional basis of planning tools, of management tools. And this is a little bit what the appetizer of this video aims at, to show you a little bit of what we have. So why did we work on this area? It's because when we manage, we need to make decisions. To make decisions, it's important that these decisions are transparent, they are repeatable, they are simple to understand. And to do that, we need to make choices, and choices are by nature a complex process. We need to be very clear about the objectives, what is being pursued, and we need to be very clear about what we are aiming at choosing between. So we need to be very clear about the alternatives that we want to compare. Well, the Trust-aware software assists the decision makers in all this process. If we look at the infrastructures, the public infrastructures, the urban water infrastructures, basically, we need to look at them as managing within a time window. They don't have a defined life. They have indefinite lives. So what happens is that as a manager, we receive infrastructures from others. We need to manage them in order to provide the service, in order to manage their value, but at least as importantly, we need to pass them to the next generation in a way that the service continues to be sustainable and continues to be with a good quality. So we need to have a structured planning process. Here you see the main aspects of this planning process. We need to start by setting up the objectives very clearly. We need to set up an assessment, a time horizon. What's the size of the time window that we're talking about? We need to consider scenarios. We need to set up an assessment system that is based on these objectives and then are discriminated in assessment criteria, metrics, reference values. We may, if we wish, consider different weights for the different metrics. We need to be clear about the targets. Where do we want to go in a given time? And based on this assessment system, then we need to set up a diagnosis of the current situation and of the future situation in a status quo alternative. Based on that, we identify what are the basic shortcomings compared to where we want to go in the long run, and we need to compare and formulate alternative solutions. So the range of tools that are now available in the scope of this Trust-aware software covers basically two main areas. One is the medium and long-term infrastructure asset management planning. So they are integrated, broad approaches that assist in the planning, in the diagnosis, and in the financial analysis of the infrastructures. And we have a second set of tools that look at a more detailed diagnosis, forecasting, analysis of the systems of assets that are incorporated. So in the first range of tools, we have the plan, the performance indicators, and the financial project. And the second set of tools, we have failure analysis, we have networks modeling module, we have risk-related modules that allow to assess the component importance, and we have also two financial modules or tools. One is the infrastructure value index, and the other one is the performance indices. To learn more, you are invited to go and give it a try to the Trust set of tools that is available for you. And so, having said that, we are really inviting you to look at the software, give it a try, contact us, and enjoy. Thank you very much.